anxiety and depression and suicide rates are skyrocketing. Why? Have you thought about it? It's because of the social media. Because I care, I post a picture and I keep asking, by the way, those are not my words. Go and look up the hearing that Mark Zuckerberg attended in the Senate. He confessed to his crimes. He said, we hired individuals from Vegas, addictive engineers. We gave them top dollar. Come, create something that is addictive, just like drugs. Worse than drugs. Worse than cocaine. Worse than heroin. Worse than opioid is that social media that you carry with yourself.